oleme siin Hiiu staadionil, kus just lõppes Nõmme Kalju ja Levadia vaheline mäng. Tulemus ei ole just meie jaoks kõige super rahuldavam, aga no pole hullu. Ja minu kõrval on Sandy Rivera, kes on muideks esimest korda elus jalgpallimängul, ilma naljata. Hey Sandy, so it's your first football game?
Yeah, first proper sit-in football game. It's good, exciting.
So, any emotions? Do you feel like football could be the new entertainment hobby or something like that?
I think football is already the entertainment. For myself, I'm getting into it.
You're getting into it after the first game?
Yeah. It's taken a while, but yeah.
So next time when you come, you're gonna be...
I'm gonna be holding the drums.
You're gonna be holding the drums! Okay, perfect.
Just gotta learn the songs.
So, what's new with you? I know that you're actually in the studio with Dave Storm, right?
Yeah, I was doing a remix for a song, and I needed a studio, so I called up Dave Storm, and he let me in the studio for a little while, but he plays keys, so he played some things on it. And so I'm gonna remix his record, he's gonna remix my record. And I have a whole bunch of releases coming out on Blackwiz, another 2 on Defected really soon, and a Chill Out album coming really soon.
Okay.
Just a lot of music, a lot of gigs.
A lot of gigs.
Yeah.
So tell me about your parties. How did you feel last night? How did you feel last night? I know that.
I still have a headache.
Oh, you still have a headache. You were drinking again.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's starting to become a problem.
No, everybody's excited every time you come because
I get drunk.
No, not because of that you get drunk, but the last time you came, you had a shot with the whole club, right?
Yeah, I was trying to get that again, but nobody understood.
Okay, we need some education for that. We need to get the people going.
No, I mean, it's always good. You know, the crowd is there. You know, everybody's hands up in the air. It's great.
So, how are your new singles? How's Persuasion and the new one?
I mean, Persuasion's coming out in about another 2 months.
I can't wait. I love that song.
It's good. I mean, yeah, it's a good package. Yeah, it's nice.
So the next time you're gonna come, a new video maybe is out already. What new?
You know, these video things are hard to do. I just don't have the time to sit down and edit, and yeah, because I like to do it myself as a hobby kind of thing. But trying to find the right people to do it is a bit difficult. But
okay. So
I'll try something.
The next time you're gonna come, your new track with Dave will be ready, hopefully.
I'm remixing his Salida record, I think it is. Yeah.
So it's gonna be.
I don't know when they're gonna put it out,
okay.
but Persuasion will be, which is good.
My favorite. Thank you, Sandy.
Right,
and
you.
The next time you're gonna come,
Prevail.
Prevail.
Where's the ball? I just want to get a shot.
Thanks.